Here he is.
Hey, how are you, Mike?
I'm all right, Keith. How are you?
Very, very good, thank you. And yourself, all right?
Yeah, not bad at all, except for this. That's the offending article. The others are in here.
Okay.
I was hoping you can save it for me.
We can certainly help you there, Mike. We can put on the machine, and we can check spray angle, atomization, the whole lot.
Can we have a go now?
We certainly can.
Love it.
Come through.
Oh, your workshop, eh? It's so clean in here.
Thanks, Mike.
Is this where we are on here?
That's we on
right,
here.
There you go. To find the fault, Keith will use a simulator to recreate how they would work in an engine. This will confirm if Elvis's mini test was spot on. Right, I've got how it's working now. That's the fuel delivery, so that's the petrol. And these are the electrical connectors for the injectors.
That's it.
Got it.
The only thing is we're not using petrol because it's too flammable. We use a special fluid that makes the same sort of combustion as it would do in an engine.
Gotcha.
Let me put it on and you can tell me if you see something happening.
Right, it's pretty descriptive, isn't it? So these three injectors are working perfectly. That one, well, that's all over the place, isn't it? So that's definitely at fault. So what's going on there?
Mike, what's probably happening there is we've got the injectors not shutting off, as you can see there. And what tends to happen, if you've got any contamination under that actual seat, it's not going to switch the injector off.
Right, so that means that even when the engine's switched off, because the needle's stuck open, because of contamination, it could be dropping fuel into the bore of the engine, and when you start it up, you get that rough starting, rough running.
Yes,
so can we see and test the flow rate then?
We certainly can. We'll put them onto these tubes here, go through a testing process, and then have a look and see if that injector is overfueling.
Even flow is critical to smooth performance. If an injector is overfueling, it causes the car to splutter and run badly.
And as you can see straight away, that this particular cylinder is delivering a lot more, which indicates that the injector is stuck open.
I mean, that's twice as much, isn't it?
It's a lot more fuel, which is going to cause all sorts of issues on the actual engine.
Can you fix it?
We can certainly put it through the ultrasonic cleaning, and hopefully we'll be able to clean that for you, Mike.
Okay, good.
After that, we're going to put new seals on, new filters, because the filters need to be replaced, and then see how they test again.
All right, no worries. With the new O-ring seals and filter fitted, it's time to see if the ultrasonic cleaner has worked its magic. Right then, Keith, are we all ready to go? Moment of truth.
Let's see what happens.
That looks even all the way across the board, doesn't it?
Now you should have absolutely very smooth running on your engine.
It's going to be fantastic. Well done, mate. Hey,
thank you.
See, how good was that? That's why I come to see you. All you got to do is just bag them up and I can get back to the workshop.
Okay.